Well, hello everyone. This is Lynn Hamilton, your lead instructor here at Sampson Properties, along with my little cardinal friend, to bring you a very commonly asked quick video on how to add or insert a link to your website into your email signature. So that's what we're going to walk you through in the next couple of seconds here. All right. So first off, I'm going to start by sharing my screen with you so you can see what's happening and going on. So let me go on over into here. There we go. All right. So the first thing I want you to do is obviously go to your website. You can either send them generically to the website, or you can actually send them to any specific page within your website. So if you were wanting to send them to a specific page, just go to the page you want them to, that link to take them directly to, and that's when you'll grab it. So, all right, so let's pretend for this one, we're just going to send them generically to your website. You've got it open. You also have your link open up here for your email, whatever platform you're using. So you start by grabbing the entire link up here, right click and copy. And it takes it the HTTPS. One of the mistakes that's often made is agents just try to put in www dot their name or their domain name and wondering why it's not connecting. I just grab it right from the source, and that way you know you got it. All right, then over to where your emails are at, into the little wheel that says settings, see all settings. I'm going to click on that. Again, this is from a Gmail. If you are using Outlook or any other platform, it's going to be similar. Just follow the process through. It's the same concept. All right, so let's scroll down just a bit. And whoops, there you go. Sorry, my computer's wanting to be funny. Here we go. So right here near, when you scroll down a bit, you'll find signature. That's where your signature blocks are. And yes, by the way, you can have more than one signature block created. So you could have one specifically for buyers, specifically for sellers. So you can change them out in a quick click, and I'll show you that coming up. All right, so let's say we're going to start from scratch. We're going to create a new, click right there. I'm just going to label it new, just because I've got some other ones I need to delete out there. So within there, I always like to start with PS, does your home still meet your needs? If not, I'm here for you. Then here's the trick. When you want to go just one line down, you want to hit the shift and enter key. Shift and enter key. What it will do is it'll take the next row snug up under the one before. If you just hit enter, which we've all done, it takes it down a space and a half, and then down a space and a half. The next thing, your email signature is long and lengthy and looks kind of funky. So let's go ahead and put your name in there. Obviously, you would put your title, your company, your whatever else you want to have in there. Now, down here in the little control bar, there's the little icon that looks, it says link when you hold your mouse over it. It looks like a chain link fence. Okay. Right here where it says text, what do you want it to say or to show up as? I always like to put, and I like to do it in all caps. That's just my preference. Click here to enjoy my web site. Okay. Now, if I was having a link go directly to a blog, I would say, click here to enjoy my blog on my website, or click here to go to my website /blog. You can put it either way, but the takeaway is you want to tell them where that link is going to take them and for what. So in this case, it's just go to the website. This next one down, again, it's got the little link. Type or paste the link there. A Control V on your keyboard will allow it to just drop it right in there. And then you're going to tell it to apply, and then it shows up and looking like that. Okay. All right. So you've got all your information in there. Let's have some fun. I'm going to go back up and highlight the name. I'm going to change the font on it. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to have it bold and italic kind of. And I'm also going to, oh, let's have some fun. Let's put it in a bright blue. And there you go. So you can change the color within your font as well. Now, if you're wanting to add a picture, whether the Samson logo or your photo, this is where insert picture, where it can go. You may have to play with it a little bit to get it the right size. But also remember too, that when you insert a picture, oftentimes it doesn't automatically download when somebody opens the email address or their email up. They've got to click on a download picture in order for it to show up. So be careful of that. Now, one other little thing. Once you've got this set up within your email address, we all assumed for a long time that once it was set up, it automatically fed to our phone if we were emailing from our phones. It does not. So you also need to go into your phone and add and update the email. So, or the email signature. So, all right, let's pretend we've got this all done. You're happy with where it's at. You're going to scroll down to the bottom. Don't do what I've done and forget to save it. So scroll down to the bottom, save changes. There you go. Boom. Now you're good. I always like to run a test. So I'm just going to send myself a quick email here. Again, this is an email that I use for training purposes, not for everyday emails. As you can see, there's the blue one. There's the link. I'm going to send it. I'm going to come back and test it to make sure it worked. Boom. Yeah, it did. So there you go. That's as easy as can be. Now, if you are needing to update your phone as well, again, on my website, I have created for you an Agent Resource Center. You have bonus handouts from various classes I've taught, how-to instructions. On how-to instructions, we also have here, are you compliant? Make sure that you are adding the email signature line to your phone. If you don't know how, neither did I. I had to Google it, and I've actually just dropped the instructions straight from Google right on my reference page for you. So that's under the Agent Resource Center, how-to instructions. Boom, make sure you're getting that updated as well. All right, my friends, that should do it. I'm going to stop sharing, and that should help you get your email signature set up, inserting a link that'll take the consumer or the person to your website. And again, you can take them generically to the website, or you can take them to a specific page. But if you're wanting to promote your blog, let's say, you want to take them directly to the blog page. Do not send them to the website to have to scout around and find out where they're supposed to find it at. So there you go. There's your tips. Easy breezy. Go make it happen. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.